Welcome to OEE Systems International. We're the OEE people. We work with the world's most progressive manufacturing companies to increase capacity, reduce costs and drive continuous improvement. Our unique record of combining our PerformOEE Smart Factory Software with our science of manufacturing methodology delivers powerful real-time control and visualization of your manufacturing processes. Your manufacturing process incorporates both process control and continuous improvement, driving cultural and technological transformation. It's this evolving transformation that is at the heart of Industry 4.0, directing your smart factory initiatives. I'm Arthur Stone, and I'd like to share with you how PerformOEE Smart Factory Software, combined with the principles of our science of manufacturing methodology, guarantees your success, regardless of whether you are looking to control, improve, or transform your business. There are two main aspects to the successful delivery of performance improvement for the business. Firstly, achieving world-class business performance requires rapid identification and resolution of performance losses as they happen in real time. PerformOEE Smart Factory Software provides highly intuitive and easy-to-use reporting to identify and quantify the root causes of performance losses as they happen. The software also provides the guidance that the user needs to quickly address these losses and minimize their impact. In our science of manufacturing approach, we call this Act on the Data. Secondly, the root causes of historical and ongoing performance losses must be accurately identified, quantified, and prioritized. The graphical analytical tools embedded in PerformOEE Smart Factory Software provide you with a powerful click-as-you-think capability to rapidly drill down and analyze huge volumes of manufacturing data. Our science of manufacturing approach emphasizes the need to abandon opinion-based conclusions and to absolutely follow the data when looking for opportunity improvements. Together, these two aspects of continuous improvement provide the whole story of what's happening in the business from a performance perspective and accelerates the delivery of sustained business performance improvement. Our customers agree. Combining our PerformOEE Smart Factory Software with our science of manufacturing methodology instills the confidence and enthusiasm needed to progress your business further.